All right, guys, if you haven't seen me use this critter before, this is what it looks like. And got my mask half on, so trying to talk with that, but hopefully you can hear me. This just needs a compressor. I got my compressor set up to the appropriate pressure. By the way, when you get these things, if you get these things, it tells you, I think, operates at 20 or 30 PSI. I jack it up to somewhere between 40 and 60. I just found from experience that it works better that way. And the way this thing works is it sucks up the paint through here and spits it out. The air kind of spits it out. You can adjust the spray pattern using this guy, and this thing is tight on. There we go. All right. So the higher it goes, obviously, I mean, you don't want it that high, but the higher it goes, the less spray or the less paint will come out. This spring adjusts it. This sometimes gets clogged up. Make sure your paint is thinned for spray and also doesn't have any boogies. I know that I have a couple in here, so that's gonna suck. Midway through this paint, I'm gonna have to take this out, clean it up. No big deal, it's just not a good time saver. Anyways, I found the best spot to have this at is somewhere in the middle of where that hole is. So a little bit more, just kind of like that. Okay, see, it's kind of halfway through. And I'll give it a couple of test shots. And all this is you put your paint in a mason jar, throw this bad boy right in there, tighten it up, and you're ready to go. This paint is already thinned out for spray, and it's a primer. But if this was my paint for the finish, I will use Floetrol too. And Floetrol basically extends the period that paint settles, so it helps it get a smoother look. But we're not going to use this for now. All right, I'm going to pop this right in, and we're ready to go. So I'm obviously a big fan of these Siphon guns with the low overspray. As you can see here, there's hardly any overspray. It makes the job smoother. Highly recommend it. Easy setup, easy cleanup. Definitely my go-to in finished spaces. There you have it, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give me a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and if you have any questions, leave them in a comment. I'll get to them. Now go spray something. See you on the next one.